Hello? Where are you now? Hello? Where are you now?
I'm at the supermarket. I'm at the supermarket.
Can you buy some milk? Can you buy some milk?
Of course. I'll get some milk. Of course. I'll get some milk.
We also need fresh eggs. We also need fresh eggs.
Okay. I'm taking the eggs now. Okay. I'm taking the eggs now.
Please buy a loaf of bread too. Please buy a loaf of bread too.
Sure. I'm walking to the bakery section. Sure. I'm walking to the bakery section.
Please choose the fresh ones.
These apples look very fresh. These apples look very fresh.
Do we need anything else?
I think we need some butter.
Yes, please buy some butter. Yes, please buy some butter.
Okay. It's in my shopping cart now. Okay. It's in my shopping cart now.
Are you ready to come home? Are you ready to come home?
Yes. I'm paying now. Yes. I'm paying now.
Please drive home safely. I'll be waiting for you. Please drive home safely. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be home in 10 minutes. I'll be home in 10 minutes.
I'll make fresh coffee for us. I'll make fresh coffee for us.
Great. See you soon. I'll be home very soon, my dear.
Thank you. See you soon. Love you. Have a safe drive.